Welcome back to CarWow 787, your ultimate destination for everything diesel, power, and performance. If you love raw torque, classic engine roars, and machines built to dominate, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment of diesel power. Let's jump right in. In the world of diesel engines, few names carry the kind of legacy that Detroit Diesel has built over the decades. And when we talk about legends, the 12V71 stands out. Originally designed in the 1960s, the Detroit Diesel 12V71 became a favorite for heavy-duty applications, trucks, buses, industrial equipment, and even military vehicles. Fast forward to 2026, and the story takes a whole new turn. Detroit Diesel has reintroduced the 12V71 platform with a modern twist, keeping the original spirit alive while giving it a cutting-edge upgrade to meet current performance and environmental standards. This engine isn't just a remake, it's a refined powerhouse for a new generation of diesel lovers. Let's break it down. The Detroit 12V71, in its original form, was a two-stroke V12 diesel engine with a displacement of 852 cubic inches, or roughly 14 liters. Each of the 12 cylinders was 71 cubic inches, which is where the engine gets its name. With the updated 2026 version, we still get that iconic 12-cylinder configuration, but with numerous enhancements that make it far more efficient, cleaner, and even more powerful. One of the biggest changes is in fuel injection. The 2026 12V71 uses electronically controlled direct fuel injection, replacing the traditional mechanical injectors. This means more precise fuel delivery, better combustion, and lower emissions. It's designed to meet stringent EPA 2026 regulations, while still delivering the kind of sound and power enthusiasts expect from a Detroit diesel. Turbocharging is another major update. While the original versions were supercharged, the new Detroit 12V71 now comes with a twin-turbo system, coupled with an updated roots blower. This triple-force setup creates massive airflow, which boosts torque across the entire RPM range, and makes the engine extremely responsive under heavy loads. Let's talk numbers. The 2026 Detroit Diesel 12V71 produces up to 950 horsepower and nearly 2,200 pound-feet of torque. That's a serious jump from its older siblings, and brings this engine right into the modern performance diesel category. And yet, Detroit has done all this without compromising the distinctive two-stroke growl that made the 12V71 a favorite for decades. Cooling and lubrication system. Another cool feature? It now includes a smart ECU, the brain of the engine. This electronic control unit allows for full diagnostics, tuning, and even remote monitoring. Through a mobile app or an onboard screen, users can track fuel consumption, air-fuel ratio, boost pressure, engine temp, and torque output in real time. This brings the classic 12V71 into the digital age, giving operators full control like never before. For those of you who love the sound, don't worry, that legendary scream is still here. Detroit engineered a sound resonance system that maintains the iconic exhaust tone while using variable baffles to meet noise regulations. That means when you're in open terrain, you still get that full-blown Detroit roar, but in urban zones or emission-sensitive areas, it automatically muffles the decibel output. Pure engineering genius. The engine's build quality in 2026 is also worth noting. It's constructed using a hybrid block of graphite iron and high-grade steel. The internals are reinforced with coated pistons, titanium rods, and low-friction bearings, all built for longevity. The result is an engine that doesn't just run harder, it runs longer. Let's not forget compatibility. The 12V71 2026 edition has been designed to be retrofitted into older trucks and chassis. Whether you're restoring a classic rig or building a modern hot rod hauler, this engine fits both worlds. Installation kits are available for several platforms, making it ideal for custom builds. Fuel economy, a major concern in today's diesel world, has also been addressed. Thanks to digital injection, combustion chamber redesign, and smart turbo management, the 2026 12V71 can deliver up to 20% better fuel efficiency than its predecessors. On long hauls, that means major savings for fleet operators and owner-operators alike. Now, let's talk pricing. This isn't your average crate engine. The 2026 Detroit 12V71 is expected to retail around $38,000 US for the base model and can go up to $50,000 with advanced tuning kits, ECU options, and additional accessories. For what you're getting, V12 power, modern tech, legendary heritage, that's a competitive price in today's market. Of course, no engine is perfect. With all its power, the 12V71 is still a massive unit. It's heavy, takes up a lot of space, and requires proper cooling. It's not for every application, and it's best suited for heavy-duty rigs, industrial machines, or diesel enthusiasts building something bold. But if that's your world, there's nothing like it. The community response has been overwhelmingly positive. Diesel lovers, custom truck builders, and even some racing teams are already placing orders. Online forums are buzzing, YouTube creators are lining up reviews, and it's clear that Detroit Diesel has reignited a fire in the diesel world. What's really special is how the 2026, while embracing the tech, efficiency, and emissions goals of today. That balance is hard to pull off, and Detroit nailed it. So what do you think? Would you drop this monster into your rig? Is it worth the price? Does it live up to the hype? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts, stories, or even photos if you've been lucky enough to see one in person. That's all for today's deep dive on the 2026 Detroit Diesel 12V71 engine. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more diesel content, engine comparisons, and build reviews coming your way. We drop fresh content every week, so stay tuned and stay powered. Thanks for watching CarWow, where torque talks and legends live on. Until next time, keep it diesel.